This is not a aerodynamic system. This is a simple 12-week mini version. So where you can add your main goals as a goal, a holy grail, and break it down holy grail into three main goals, and then connect to your 12 weeks, and then tackle everything by task and habits. Simple as that. Nothing more complicated. Just a simple workflow that get you done what you want in 12 weeks. First thing you should do, the main first thing you should do is set a long-term goal. So first of all, let's open that, and then here let's paste that goal. Just becoming a full-time content creator and $5,000. It's not a big thing, so dollars a month from multiple income streams by 2027. So it's a 27 to your goal. Category, you can categorize that, you can make a set finance. Okay. And then you can add a vision statement here, priority level, I'll say it high, and then you can also add a goal here. So here in the goal section where you can you should add three main goals, and this is become the main pillars of this 12 weeks and the tasks and habits you are going to achieve. And so I'll add the first goal, which is growing audience of 10,000 engagement followers and subscribers. Well, that then as for the second, and second, which is publish 12 pieces of high value content consistently. That's the second goal. I will add to that. And also after that, let's add the third. Oh, sorry. That's here. You can also add it here, and which is third goal should be when you here you should add the goal, set up a monetizing funnel. So there is many way you can add your main three goals. Okay, all goals where you can see all the goals here added. So there is only three main goals we are going to add that is compatible to our main goal. Okay, long-term goal. And here you can set area like business. It's all business, so just add all business, and you can write about why it is matter right here, target metrics here, started date here, end date. To automatically create an end date, which is after 12 week. To automatically set a date. I will show you. If we set this as start date is there, it automatically create a date after 2 weeks. And okay, and here you can see the progress, and here you can also see the connected 12 weeks, habit, task and habits, yeah, and the holy grail. So we are not connected any holy grail to this setup and because we added that in last. So I will add that, become yeah, that's a holy grail. Okay, and that's how you can add your three main goals. And now after creating the three main goals, you need to add your main 12 week goals. Okay, this is the what you want to do in your first week, what you want to do in your second week, and till 12 weeks. Okay, and we can do that in different way actually. And we're gonna, rather than connecting here, I will just use this way, like open the 12-week plan, and here you can see all the 12 weeks, right? You can see the first week, second week, third week, all. I'll show you how to create each goal at each 12-week goals for that is compatible to our main three goals. Okay, which is the main three goals compatible to our long-term goal. Okay, it's all connected. First week, what should you do in your first week? Let's add that. So for the first week, I will rather than completely like this. For the first week, plan 12 weeks of content, topic, and formats. That's the first week goal. Okay. Now after that, can add that goal. So our first goal is should be drawing audience to turn space. That's the first goal, right? So I will connect that, and this is the second goal, and this as finally this is the third goal. Okay. Then you can also add a weekly objective here, timeline here when you are gonna start here, and this is sprint after done. Okay. Okay. Now let's create the second week. So for the second week, create content production workflow in Notion. That's a second week goal. You can also connect the goal, which is also, of course, engagement. Okay, and let's add the third week goal. So the third week goal should be bringing first two pieces of content. So after finishing all the 12 weeks, only after completing all these 12 weeks, you can create a work on the third main goal. Which should be, I'll show you. Where is it? Okay. So which is their main goal, which is publishing 12 pieces of highly value content consistent. After completing this, you can connect to this for the 12 weeks, and then after that this set up a tunnel after this, and completing that you can create another plan, 12-week plan, and then you can do that till you get your long-term goal. Okay, so after that, after setting the third week goal, I will set the 12-week goal and come here faster. Okay, now I have added all the weeks goals, and then also connect to the three main goals. Okay, excellency 12 goals. Okay, here you can either add your task, or you can just come over here home page and just go here and add the task. Or there is also a simple way, like this is a capture page actually. Okay, this is my dance page where you can add your task for today, tomorrow, next week, and next month here, and so you can add your habit here. And yeah, I will show you how to add the task and habits. Okay, so as for the today's task, we can just brainstorm and finalize 12 content ideas. That's the task. Okay, that's the task you need to do right now. Okay, and also let's add some more tasks. So I have added some tasks that should be done today, but as you can see, there is we have the weekly goals. So you can transfer this, you can do one of these tasks today, two of the tasks today, and connect this in a week, but you should be finished this week. Okay, so I will connect this week to first week. The first week should be 17. Yeah. First week, this is the first week. Okay, I'll add that, and I want to add that to every single one of them. And doing all this today can be deleted up, so I will just remove one of the, like here, one of them tomorrow, and okay, good. And these three has to be shown today, and other two should be shown up here, because tomorrow and the one should be this week should be here. Okay, here 10th. Okay, and this is how you can add task and link to it. Okay, let's do if I want a certain task, like maybe here, duplicate this, and I want a certain task, like I should talk to my audience once a week. Okay, so I'll automate that here, week. Then I want to do this in every Friday. Okay, remove Monday because I don't want I want to do this every Friday. I need the Friday should be the day where I should talk to my audience. Okay, so you can start tomorrow, yeah, and then save yes. And this particular task will show up every Friday. Okay, that's how you can automate a task. Okay, so rather than creating a new that task every Friday, and you will one day forget it. So every Friday, rather than doing that every Friday, you can just automate this task, and it will show up automatically that Friday in your to-do section. Okay, that's how you can automate the task. Now let's add a habit, some habits, and automate them too. Just duplicate this, duplicate, and it will open here. And the habit you want to have, like reviewing analytics every Sunday even. So go here, week, and just select every Sunday, right? So Sunday, Monday, I can select the time too. Maybe now we have automated this review and analytics system. Show up this in every Sunday even. Okay, now let's automate some more habits. Okay, now I have automated some habits. Okay, not task, habits. Okay, so one thing you need to make sure is you added this type as habit. Okay, if you added this as a task, then it won't show up in any habit page. Okay, it will only show up in tasks section. Okay, okay, that you should remember that. And after, and I arranged some to like review analytics every Sunday evening, dedicated one full morning each week, morning each week. I have recommended that. Also reading 5 pages, read a 5 pages. I did that, like so can add the name of the mm, name of the book here. So can add that, and that's how you can automate a task slash habit. And if you add a type as a habit, then it will show up here, and if you add it as a task, it will show up here. Okay, remember that. Okay, now we have automated the task, and we can also, whenever you complete a particular task, it will show you the analytics. Like if you complete this task, like tap and tap, it will go down. Just after completing it will go down. I can see in the progress page, sorry, like progress, you can see that after completing that particular task, you can see a 40% of 40% completed, because we completed 2 tasks from maybe 3 tasks, right? So it's showing 40% completed. After completing that 3 tasks in tomorrow, and that is how tomorrow, that is today and tomorrow, you can see it will process will be increased to 100%. As you can see, after that you get satisfaction of I completed the first week. Now let's can catch the second week, and like that you can add task related to the second week, and then add task to the third week, and add habit and task related to that, and you can keep going until you finish all the 12 week and completed that first goal from 3 main goals. Okay, and that's how you can add tasks and habits. And you can also see and yeah, that's how you can add a main goal, main long-term goal, and you can add your goals for 3 main goals, and then link that 3 main goals to the 12 weeks and complete that, and then you can link task and habits to that 12 weeks and complete that, tackle that every day, and then until you complete your week challenge. Okay, and that's how you can use this 12 week me, and that's how I do. So this is how you can do it. And also I'm gonna explain some feature space, like you can the capture section. This is where you can capture your task. All right, and then in the my task section, we already saw that. So here you can see that section, a time-based review, so habit and task. And there is also homepage navigation screen, and then there is today section. Okay, when you open today, you can see the tasks that have today and habit that have today. Okay, and then when we go to week's task. So here you can see this week, first week. When you go to here first week, you can see the task that to be done first in the first week. Then go to set week. Can it won't show up because we didn't add task that will be done the second week. Okay, after tackling the first week, you can start by seeing adding tasks to the second week here, and it has 12 week section. So, and also the holy grade. Holy grade is a main goal section. Okay, a long time goal. I mean, yeah, it's the main goal. Total main goal. Okay. Becoming a full time creator, earning 5,000 a month, dollars a month from multi income streams by 2027. You can also see the related goals and 12 week. Okay, connected 12 weeks. I think connected, so that's why it's showing me. Goals are connected, so yeah. And the whole after college they can all goal section and 12 week plan and completed. After completing tasks, weeks and the and the weeks you have tackled, 12 weeks you have tackled, and the goals you completed, it will show up here. Also, there is a archive page. Archive page. I only have that archive button on the holiday, like the long term goals, and so can add if you want. I only the holiday, and yeah, that's how you can use this 12-week mini uh, Notion template. And it is helpful, and I think it's really helpful. You can grab that link in the description and try it out and use it, and let me know what is missing and what need to be improved, and I will improve it and get back to you. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video with wonderful workflows.